Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to create custom stickers on WhatsApp iOS. You can use either the built-in WhatsApp creation tool or Apple's native lift subject feature, both of which instantly isolate the subject from your photos. So let's use the first method. Right? Go ahead to WhatsApp. Right? Inside your chat, you're gonna click the paper icon here next to the camera. Tab Create Sticker. Now choose a photo. Right? The background will be removed automatically. You can now send it as a new sticker. The second method, lift subject feature, right? We're just gonna go back to our screen, and if you are on iOS 16 or later, you could turn any photo into a sticker without opening the WhatsApp sticker menu first. So open your native iPhone Photos app and find the picture you want to use. So let's use CJ today. I'm gonna hold until a glowing light show up. That's our cue. We're gonna just go back to our screen, go ahead to WhatsApp, and make sure you hold your finger, right? The finger you hold the photo with, and just leave it here inside that chat. And automatically the background is removed, and you can now send a new sticker, and the sticker will be saved here, so you have no problem if you want to go back to it later. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps.